Hello everyone, I want to present about how to find repeat words in text file. And this is table of contents. The first I will present about background, why am I choose this project, and the second the video code, how we code in Java with GUI, and the third video results. This is the result from the mini project, and the last my profile. And next, background. Why am I choose this project? It is difficult of finding repeat words in file, so we have to check one by one. If we do, then we are just wasting our time. So, by looking for repeated words or duplicate words that are assisted by the Java language, it is easy to find repeated words easily, and we don't need to waste our time. And the next, the code. How we code in Java with GUI. And this is the mockup from the GUI. We create two files Java, the first JFrame and the second controller mini project. And then we take a look in JFrame first. We can see this is the frame that later when we run the project, and the frame will be appear like this. And then choose the source and scroll down. We see we must set the getter for button process and button save, and next file chooser and text pen. And scroll up and we can see this is the JFrame public JFrame mini project. Init components controller equals new controller mini project. This is to connect the controller class, and we go to the second class. This is controller mini project, and this is the import. And then this is private JFrame mini project view to connect with JFrame mini project. This is the code to connect with JFrame mini project. And next we are going to the process. And the first step, we have to creating the word count map, which holds words as keys and their occurrence as values. And we have to import hash map first. And buffered input stream reader equals null. And then creating buffered input stream object. And then next, this is the code to call the text files, so we can see the project when we run the program. And then we have to create the variable integer count word equals nulls, string data integer count char equals nulls, and integer lines equals nulls. And the next, creating line numbers reader object to see all of the text when we run the project. Line number reader equals new number line number reader new file readers log file dot get selected file. So we can get the file. And next, reading the first line into data, and this is we use the while data equals line number readers dot read line. Is it null? Not null. And then next, splitting the data into wording, string wording equals data dot to lowercase dot split. And then to call when we count the word at character when we run the program, and this is the code. And next, iterating each word for string word equals wording. If word is already present in word count map, updating it is count. And this is the code. And word count map dot contains key word from this string word, and the wording from the wording equals data to lowercase dot split. And the next, otherwise setting the word as key and one as value. As we can see, this is the code word count map dot put word and one. And the next, this is the code to read next line into the data. And next, getting all the entries of word count map in the from offset, and next creating a list of passing the entry set, and next sorting the list in the decreasing order of the value. And this is the code for the duplicate words. And the next, this is the code for create to get line number for the number of line. And inside the list that is empty, so we don't the file is must not null. So this is the code, and this is the printing the number of lines, number of words, number of character, and duplicate word in input file along with their occurrence. This is the code. And then create the logger so there is no an error when we execute the program. And the next, reader.close, closing the data. And next we are going to go the private void save. This is the same with process, but for the code, this is just edit the text and we can save the program. If the program is success, will be show the message the file saved. And that's all. And next, this is the result how we code in Java with GUI. And this is the result when we open the file, and this is the result from the text. And then this is after our edit, and this is after edit the project and the save file, and we get the pop-up like this. And then we run the project. And this is my mini project with Java GUI. So the first one, click open file button and find the text file. Before that, we have already created text file with format txt. And choose the project txt and click open. And this is the result from the pop-up, and this is the text. So we can see the file appear on my project, and we can see the pop-up message. This is the project txt, then click OK. And we can edit the project. I will remove it. And then click save file button, and then edit the file name. I will make it project3.txt and save. and we get the pop-up message. On this message we can see the file is success and then click OK. The next, my profile. My name is Revinda Saktyawati. That's all for me. Thank you very much for listening and watching my all those we have shares be beneficial for all of us. My name is Revinda Saktyawati. See you everyone.